Once I completed the chair, I went over to make sure there weren't any spots where the napkin had torn. If there were, I just added pieces of napkin over top of the tear. I allowed the chair to dry fully for 12 hours before sealing it. Because this chair would be outside, I used Marine Coatings varnish. Following the can's directions, I applied 3 coats of varnish, allowing each coat to dry for 24 hours between coats. This chair looks so much better than it did. It's so unique, and I love the way it looks in my garden. I hope this inspires you to give a piece of worn furniture new life using napkins.